Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.